Now here we have, they want the surface area of a composite shape. And there are two shapes. There's a cylinder and there's a rectangular prism. Now, here's the thing. If you were going to paint this, is there any part that wouldn't get painted? Yeah, the bottom of the cylinder wouldn't get painted. That circle right there. And that circle's not going to get painted in the cylinder, so I need the surface area minus 1 base. And I need the surface area of the prism minus 1 circle base. Because that point where they're touching, we're never going to see. So we're never going to actually paint that. If we had to paint it, we're not going to paint it. We wouldn't wrap it. We wouldn't do anything. So I'm going to take the cylinder. The cylinder it has a radius of 3, a height of 4. So the surface area is the area 2 times the area of the base, 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. Now, what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to subtract off a pi r squared, because this is that bottom circle. That is not on the outside. So the surface area that I need from the cylinder part of it would be, I'm going to get rid of that guy, which would be pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. So it's pi times the radius squared, which is 3 squared, which is 9, plus 2 times 3 times 4. So 2 times 3 is 6, 4 is 12. It's 24, not 12. That's 24 pi. So this is 33 pi. So I got 33 pi for my cylinder. And that'll be in inches squared. Now from the surface area of the bottom, for the rectangular prism, it's 2 by 5 by 4. So the surface area is equal to the perimeter times the height plus 2 times the area of the base. So if I choose this as my base, right here, that's 4 by 5. So this is going to be equal to 2 times 4 times 5. And then the perimeter, 5 plus 5 is 10, 4, 18. That'll be 18 times that 2. So that's 36 plus 20, that's 40, which is 76. inches squared. But now I have to take that 76 inches squared and subtract off the area of the circle, because that circle right up here is off of the face, so we're not going to use that. So I'm going to get 76 inches squared minus the area of the circle, which is 9 pi. So now my total surface area that's going to be equal to the 33 pi plus the 76 minus 9 pi inches squared. And it says round to the nearest tenth, so I have to put this into the calculator. 33 pi plus 76 minus 9 pi round to the nearest test, 151.4 inches squared.